So how many of you are fans of monochromatic looks? Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have done a Mauve monochromatic look using some of my favorite products as well as some gifted products, and I'm really excited to show you this tutorial. Now I do want to let you guys know that I was gifted some products, so I would rather run through that real quickly before we start the tutorial. I just got in the Mauves by Juvia's Place. These palettes are so cute, small, easy to travel with, and super pigmented. I was also gifted some products from Becca Cosmetics, like the Under Eye Brightening Corrector, as well as the Hydrolite lipsticks. I was gifted those as well as the Buxom Cosmetics. So I chose these products more for the fact that they really worked well together for the Mauve monochromatic look, rather than the fact that they were gifted to me, though they did work amazingly, and you'll hear my review as I go through the routine. So let's start the tutorial.
This is one of the quickest routines that I'm ever going to share with you guys. This monochromatic look starts with the Juvia's Place. This is the Mauve's palette. I'm applying just a little bit in my crease. I have hooded eyelids, so I want to make sure I'm defining that crease area, and I'm using a brush from Luxie. This is a dual-ended brush, so I'm able to add more detail like in my crease and then blend it out with the other side of the brush. The shade that I'm using doesn't have a name, but it's one of the darker shades of the palette, and I love how pigmented it is. So I'm applying it just to where I want it to be the deepest, and then I'm lightly blending it out into the brow bone and a little bit onto the lid itself. This is one of those shades that you can blend it out and it's really going to soften, and you don't have to layer too many shades with it because it really just speaks for itself. You can use it on the lid, you can use it to line your eye. It's just one of those really nice multi-use shades. Now to my lid itself, I'm applying another shade from the Mauve's palette. This is a lighter, more pinky shade, but it's still in the monochromatic family. It's still in the same family, and as you can see, I'm using the same brush that I used for the darker shade, and I'm patting it on the lid. I do have a little bit of primer on the lid, so it is sticking quite nicely. Now using my finger, I'm going in with this shimmery shade. I'm applying it just to the corner of my eye to add a little bit more brightness. Like I said, I have hooded eyelids and they can look very, very small. I'm lining my eyes with the Covergirl Gel Liner. This is one of my favorite gel liners because it has the brush built right in. So if you're on the go or you just like a really easy glide on, simple to use liner, maybe you're not that good at doing gel liner, this is one of those products that's gonna it always has you. On my brows, I'm using the Billion Dollar Brows, the Microblade Effect Brow Pen. So this is not going to give you super thick, gelled up brows. This is going to make your brows look like your natural brows, just a little bit more filled in. I have quite a bit of thinning on my outer brow and the inner brow due to thyroid disease, so I'm just filling it in, making it look a little bit natural, a little bit thicker. Now it's time for a little skincare because you cannot forget your skincare even if you've already done some of your makeup. I'm using the Patchology Happy Place Eye Gels, and these are perfect for depuffing, just brightening that eye, helping with dark circles, and even helped with the fine lines under my eyes. And I'm going to put on those lashes off screen. It's been 5 minutes and I removed the gel patches. Now I'm going in with a little bit more skincare. This is the Glam Glow Youth Potion Rejuvenating Peptide Serum, and I'm patting it gently onto the face. It absorbs so quickly. Next, I'm using the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizing Primer. So this is a skincare makeup product that's going to help my pores look smaller. This gives my skin a smoother, more luminized complexion, and no matter what foundation I put on top of it, it just stays amazing. I'm also using the Laura Geller Spackle Mist Restore Coconut Water for just a little bit of extra hydration. It is fall after all. Then I'm applying the Becca Cosmetics Under Eye Brightening Corrector in medium to deep. I am a lighter skin tone, but this helps to cancel out those dark circles. Not that I have much left after those Patchology, but I love the way it sits underneath my foundation, which, by the way, is the Yensa Skin on Skin BC Foundation. It's an ultra lightweight foundation that gives an amazing full coverage. It covers up my redness, it covers up any acne I'm having, it covers up dark circles, which are gone because of patchology, but it's just such a breeze to put on. It blends out perfectly and never feels heavy. For my highlight, I'm using Ofra Cosmetics Madison Miller Highlight. This was a collaboration, and it's in the shade Sea Shimmer. Now usually I would use this in the summer, but it's just such a beautiful highlight that I had to pull it out for this look, and it always gives me a super glow to the gods but never too sparkly kind of look, and I'm using it right under my brow as well to add to that monochromatic feel. For my blush, I'm using the Buxom Cosmetics. This is the Primer Infused Blush in Wanderlust. Now, while you don't need a primer under this, you can also use it over primer and foundation. I'm applying it a little to my nose, which is a technique I don't usually do, but it ties together the monochromatic look and it gives a more youthful, blushed appearance. On my lips, I'm also using Buxom Cosmetics, and this is the Buxom Plump Line Lip Plumper in Dolly Danger. What I love about this product is that it plumps, it's creamy, it's smooth, I'm able to line and fill, and it comes with a little brush to perfectly blend it out and give you a lush, full, plump lip look. Over that, I'm applying a little bit of the Becca Cosmetics Hydra Light in the shade Breeze. This was a shade that I used during the summer and early fall months, and so I had to pull it out now, and that completes my monochromatic look. This whole look took just a little bit longer than 5 minutes to complete, and I absolutely love it.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I tried to keep it really easy to follow. I don't try to do too complicated looks, though I do like a cut crease every now and then. Do you guys want to see more monochromatic looks? I'd be happy to film some for you guys. Just leave me a comment below with what color you'd want to see, and I will try to make it work. If you guys aren't already and you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and leave me some comments. If you'd like more information, you could always check the info section below. I will have tons of clickable links for you to shop these products or just find out more information about them. You can also check out my blog, www.thecosmoholic.com/blog. If you're on Instagram and you love beauty, please be sure to check out Recycled Stardust. And if you love fashion, head over to @FabulouslyStardust. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching.